Good morning, this is Eddie, Multi-Man Services, Beloit, Wisconsin. In this video, I'd like to talk a little bit about some gutter maintenance reminders, what we can do to increase gutter flow so that we don't have to spend so much money on having your gutter cleaner come out and have them clean it out on a regular basis. So first thing I wanted to point out, this fascia board right here was installed with some trim nails. I did notice those in the gutter before I cleaned them out, so I grabbed the nails and then I hammered them back in place where they were so that that fascia board wouldn't fly away and be another service call from another company, cost you extra money. But the main problem was back here where all these trees are back here. I'm about to walk over here. I'll show you this gutter over here. So what's going on is when the gutter installers install these downspouts, they want to install it as fast as possible because they get paid by the foot to install this stuff. And they have these little tiny zip screws that that actually acts as arms to catch debris inside the downspout. So the zip screws hold the whole entire downspout together, but they send out little arms, and when leaves get into the downspout, it catches them and it creates a big giant pile. So I'd like to encourage this property manager to get some gutter screens on this gutter right here, and then also install a new downspout right here because it's set on its last leg. And when you install it with pop rivets. They're little short stubby things and they look nicer, they're not as knobby, and they don't go into the gutter to catch the debris. So with the screen, bigger downspout, bigger outlet on the gutter, and we're going to want to install them with pop rivets. That way we'll never have any issue with like helicopters getting into this downspout and starting to grow. That was the issue here. So with that, this is Eddie, Multi-Man Services out of Beloit, Wisconsin. Continue to watch the rest of our videos for more gutter maintenance reminders, and if you'd like a quote for any other services you like, feel free to go on our website, Multi-Man Services, and you can get an instant quote, or give us a call at 608-999-WASH.